Imagine a world where everyday tasks are streamlined, decisions are optimized, and possibilities are endless. Join us on a journey into the future as we unravel the transformative power of artificial intelligence and how it's set to revolutionize the lives of ordinary individuals like never before. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to significantly impact the lives of common individuals in various ways, offering both benefits and challenges. Here are some key points from the search results that highlight how AI can change a common man's life. According to ThinkML, artificial intelligence can be defined as a process of transferring human cognitive intelligence to computers. Though AI is difficult for a common man to understand, it has a big impact on everyone in society, and a key role in progressive modern life. Once upon a time, in a world where technology reigned supreme, there lived a common man named Alex. Alex's life was about to change in ways he never imagined, all thanks to the magical powers of artificial intelligence, AI. One day, as Alex was going about his usual routine, he stumbled upon a mysterious app on his phone that promised to make his life easier. Little did he know that this app was powered by AI, a technology that could optimize and enhance his daily activities. With the help of AI, Alex found himself saving time on mundane tasks, allowing him to focus on things that truly mattered to him. As time went on, Alex faced a health scare that shook him to the core. However, AI came to his rescue by enabling early detection of the disease, monitoring his health in real time, and even predicting potential life-threatening episodes before they could occur. Thanks to AI's advancements in healthcare, Alex was able to take control of his health and lead a healthier lifestyle. One night, as Alex walked home from work, he encountered a situation that made him feel unsafe. But with the power of AI-driven facial recognition technology, he was quickly identified and helped by authorities. This experience not only enhanced his personal security, but also gave him peace of mind knowing that AI was looking out for him. In his quest for knowledge and information, Alex turned to search engines powered by AI. These engines tailored search results based on his preferences, location, and search history, providing him with more relevant and personalized information than ever before. With AI's help, Alex became a master at finding exactly what he needed in the vast sea of information available online. As Alex delved deeper into the world of business, he witnessed firsthand how AI was transforming industries with its automated systems. From e-commerce to finance, AI was streamlining operations, increasing efficiency, and reducing costs. Alex marveled at how AI was revolutionizing the way businesses operated, paving the way for a more productive and innovative future. In the end, Alex's journey with AI had transformed his life in ways he never thought possible. From saving time and enhancing his health, to improving personal security and optimizing search results, AI has become his trusted companion in navigating the complexities of the modern world. As he looked towards the future, Alex knew that with AI by his side, anything was possible. As we come to the end of our exploration into the boundless potential of artificial intelligence, remember that the future is not just something to anticipate, it's something to actively shape. Let's continue to embrace the possibilities, harness the innovations, and pave the way for a brighter, more AI-enhanced tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.